So alright, we are in Penguin Bag Hole and look at this. Look where the water coming from. That is across the road. I'm going to see if I can go further up and take a closer video. That's the road up there, water coming across, and there's another river. So you know, two water meets, and trust me man, it's going down to Bag Hole. It is going down to Bag Hole. Look at that. This is the main road, people. Look at the main road in Bag Hole, Penguin. Look where water come through. Look, as far as I can see, I can't see the end of it. Look at that. I'm wetting up my boots. Look at people.